Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text inflate and deflate in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open our document. Then we want to make text inflate and deflate. Firstly, insert some text. Then select the text and go to the insert menu. Then click word art drop down menu and choose the word art. Then go to the format menu. Then click text effect and choose transform. Then apply the inflate. Now we can see here we make this text inflate. Then we copy the text and paste inside. Now we apply this text deflate. Go back the text effect and transform, then select the deflate. Now we can see here we make this text inflate and deflate very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.